The fourth industrial revolution is well underway. Physical and digital technologies are converging. Manufacturing and supply chain management have radically transformed. Tech-savvy workers are using leading-edge technologies like AI, machine learning, and IoT to build intelligent, customer-centric supply chain and operations that raise productivity to new heights. Microsoft is empowering manufacturers to join this revolution. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations streamlines end-to-end production oversight, delivering intelligent insights on every transaction, from ordering to warehousing to transport to final delivery. Today, orders come from several channels, including telesales and online. Every transaction entails multiple details such as unit numbers, pricing, delivery, and payment information. Once an order is placed, it must meet numerous operational criteria such as quality checks, picking cycles, profit margins, BOM formulas, and revisions. Optimizing fulfillment is especially vital for companies managing warehouses spread across the globe. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations meets the logistical needs of multinational operations with a distributed order management solution. Successful organizations must understand the fulfillment cost of every order, as well as bringing each new product to market. They must know every detail of component and manufacturing costs. Dynamics product costing gives managers the ability to effectively evaluate implications upfront. Each industry has its own item management demands, including traceability, routing, component dependencies, and valuation. Dynamics 365 facilitates oversight of these factors and more, helping keep supply chain operations optimized. Dynamics 365 helps keep products moving beyond the factory floor. Power BI Warehousing Pack is a powerful out-of-box solution for all inventory and warehouse operations. Managers can leverage advanced business intelligence on inbound receiving functions like counting and on-hand precision, as well as outbound shipping processes. They can create custom reports from extensive captured data. And embedded strategies and guidance enable effective streamlining of picking procedures. A key aspect of supply chain management is ensuring a high quality of vendor products. Dynamics helps organizations adhere to stringent product standards at every stage, all the way downstream to the end customer. In fast-moving industries, picking and packing orders quickly and accurately can be the difference between profit and loss. Dynamics facilitates creation and maintaining of efficient warehouse processes, helping keep operations in the black.
We had no idea where our inventory was physically. Employees used to drive around on forklifts looking for inventory.
Maintaining clear communication with vendors up and down the supply chain is vital to ensuring order accuracy and minimizing delays. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations enables easy collaboration with multiple vendors and helps keep vendor master data current.
Before Dynamics 365, we had no inventory visibility in retail stores at all. We'd basically ship products from the distribution center to the stores, and then whatever they had, they had. It was a black box.
Customer returns are part of every business. Dynamics tracks every return product and the reason, providing vital insights to minimize future returns. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations optimizes order transportation with a dedicated module. Manufacturers can effectively manage containers, loads, vehicles, and routes to meet deadlines, especially specific delivery slots. Join the new industrial revolution. Optimize your supply chain to transform your business. Learn more about Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations and the efficiencies you can realize from end to end.